rented a caravan for the next 5 days and we've spent the first night at Mount Cook. It's been an awesome experience waking up to this whole view throughout the night, and this morning, what are we going to do today?
Oh, we're going to the Tasman track now. So this was our actual first experience in a camper van. It was a cool night. Highly recommend for anyone who wants to do it. Yeah, let's do the Tasman track now and then we'll go to the Hokitika Valley.
Yeah, awesome. So stay tuned for the next adventures to come.
Alright, we finally made it to the glacier lake, Tasman Glacier Lake. I think Lena's gonna go down there. I'm not going to. I can, but it's just too risky. Let me know how it is.
I will. Let's get going. It is honestly unbelievable. It's breathtaking.
Where are we going next, Lena?
I don't know. We're gonna drive for 4 hours and see what happens. you today.
Huh?
I actually stopped for you today.
Because
Didn't make
you
you walk in the rain.
That's it.
Hey guys, this is it. We have come to the end of our 5 days journey. We are now at Castle Hill. So we started at Tasman Glacier, and what else did we do?
And then from the Tasman Glacier, we went to Wanaka.
Yeah, we stayed a night there, but the weather was not that good. It was raining, so we stayed the night, had our dinner, and then the very next day we went to
Franz Josef. And it was raining, and I tell you what, being in a camper van while it's raining, an experience that you need to do.
Yeah, that was awesome. And then we did we went to Hokitika. We got to see glowworms. That was an amazing experience. It was crazy.
They were free, so check it out.
Yeah. And then what did we do?
We came to Castle Hill, but then on the way we had to stop in so many different spots because honestly the view was unreal.
Oh, I'm just gonna stop you there. We also did Hokitika George, remember?
Oh yes.
We did the Hokitika George walk. Got bitten by sandflies, but the view was amazing. It was all worth it. And then we came here. So now we're in Castle Hill, and now we're going home. This is it.
So we've come to the end of our journey in a camper van. What was the first time that we've done it, and it was amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a like, subscribe, and keep it tuned for the next ones to come.